Okay, let's crack this open. Okay, very reasonable price for 20 ringgit, I think. Let's crack this open because I bought this about a week. I want to open it with you guys, you know, to have the same experience. 12.99. Wow, look at that. This sticker. If you want this sticker, let me know, then I can send it to you guys. See, another sticker. Minion. See, this like puzzle sticker, and then you can put their face here. If you want this sticker, just let me know. Okay, I can give it to you guys. Let's open this activity book. Yes, I wondering. Wow, it's so colorful here, and have Minion Prison Break. A lot of Minion. I love Minion because they are so adorable and then very reliable. If you have this book, okay, activity book, doodle book. Wow, let's open this. It's so pretty, you know. You can draw it, another half, then copy the grid. You can draw. Wow, this book is so beautiful. Okay, nice. This is coloring book. See, Gru. You can color Gru. Then you can color Lucy, Margot. Let's crack this open. Edith, Agnes, Drew, Dave and Jerry. Wow, can have a lot of fun. See, wow, this is so amazing book, and then it's so big, you know. You can see it's very big. Can have a lot of fun. This the next one is sticker book. Wow, it is so fun. This sticker book, you can see. Let's crack this open. You can see. Then you can spot the different. Then puzzle one. Find the pig who is missing. Oh, now this sticker used for this book. So I wonder why they separate them. Nothing else inside. So you guys, if you like this sticker book, if you wanted for me, you just let me know in this comment below, then I can give it to you guys. I put it back inside. I have 4 books inside here. I have so much fun with this unboxing with you guys. Okay, so guys, if you wanted to get this voucher, just let me know. Thank you guys. If you love this video, please like, don't forget to subscribe, follow my Instagram to stand a chance to win iPhone 6s and iPhone 7. Okay, I will update the giveaway soon. Thank you guys. See you later. See you another video. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye. If you